Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a A1 1.6 TDI. So this is a 2010 model. It's got full service history. It's got both sets of keys. We've just done a cambelt and water pump change. So it's got unmarked alloy wheels. It's the two-tone red with silver. So as with all our videos, a lot of the information about the car, condition, etc. and a lot of photos will be on the advert. The video is really just for people who are local and just to try and get as much detail as you can. So there's no holes in the parcel shelf. These have the floor which can lower. There's a jack, the wheel brace, locking wheel up under there. It's got Bluetooth, foam prep, multifunction steering wheel. It's HPI clear, motor checked, as all our cars are. And that comes with the certificate. We also do our own inspections. As we say, we've just done cambelt and water pump on this. But we do a full inspection with a report as well. Interior is nice and clean, no major marks or scuffs. And as with all our cars, we can offer warranty, finance. We do have an approved company we use, but we have got a consumer credit license. So if you've got your own finance company that you've used to using or would like us to use, we can deal with them for you. As always, any questions, if you want to arrange a test drive or if you just want to come down and have a look, we do viewing by appointment. Just give us a ring or drop us an email and we'll get the kettle on. Thanks for watching.